Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, I am Sasha. Welcome. So I'm doing this video just to I've been watching some videos with persons talking about going on dates by yourself without people, and I feel like I'm so used. My dad talked to me in the background. But she at the show, she did way far from me, so I don't know why she called me and talked to me. And she don't want nothing, but she does a trouble with me. Anyway, so I've watched persons like Janelu and I Am Shelby, and they were just talking about, it all entails about like self-love, self-pampering, going on dates by yourself. And I've just been feeling to do something like that because it's way out of my comfort zone, especially like I don't want to put myself in this box saying that I'm solely this, but I find myself that I'm like, I have introvert characteristics, so me going out by myself, like I do go out by myself to run errands and come back in, but I mean like spending time out, just like focusing on me and so on. It's just like I've never really done that. I've done that with friends and so on and family, but by myself, like I got good day or just like pampering myself, or I've never done that. So this is new territory, and I hope I can vlog as much as I can, because when I'm inside the house, it's a total different thing from when I step out. When I step out, it's like I forget what I set out to do, and even if I do remember, I get so like timid to record. I don't know how you YouTubers do it, but I commend you. I always said I don't know, but let's see how much I can take. So what I'm planning on doing is going to this place to do my nails, well, my toenails, that is. Possibly do polish on my nails, I'm not sure. I don't think I'll do any nails. I've never done like full nail set. But I'm gonna do my toes. I want to do my toes. I want to do white polish, but I watched a video way back where this guy was like this whole smash and pass thing, and they had the girl lined up and they look at this specific girl with white nail polish and they were just like smirking and being all, and I'm like, what are they trying to say, people that wear nail polish? Then me know with my fast service, they go look it up on Urban Dictionary. And that's not what I'm trying to bring across, but that's so unfair. I hate how people can twist things to sexualize things. But if that's what I feel like, I'm gonna do it, whether or not they think it means that, because I just love the look on, especially on us chocolate women, black women. I love the look on our toes, so I probably get that or a nude color. So let's see how today goes. This spot that I'm going, I'm gonna do a citrus pedicure, hopefully, and yeah, let's get this show on the road. What me I say? Mom, mommy, what I say? Friend, I'm there. Not sure. But you were calling me. You were saying something around the bathroom, like if she ever hear me say. So, yeah. Mom, stop it, man. If it even drop here, don't have to drop over there. Guys, my mom, she don't want me going nowhere. She's trying to put me out, telling me about rain and all. Sorry. Mom, where's she gone? Okay, guys, I'll come back to you. Alright, so the change that I made was to do my eyebrows. So yeah, you see, I probably have 2 videos of how I do my eyebrows if you just want to know, because guys, I don't have no eyebrows. So if I find myself drawing on eyebrows, it's not something I love, but I guess because people keep pointing it out, I just tend to do it, and I feel like sometimes it suits my face. So yeah, and I put on some concealer underneath. I would find myself doing concealer above and beneath, but now I just find myself doing the concealer beneath. And yeah, because sometimes it gets all sweaty and just no foundation, just eyeline, what's it called again, eye pencil, concealer, and yeah, that's it. Nothing else, something more. Should do like a OOD outfit of the day. How do I do it? So this, do I lean it on here? I've got on this sleeveless top, my necklace with it, and this, you know, blouse hoodie type of thing. My black jeans, my belt from Shein, my chain from a tiny store here. So I thought that was gifted to me, I believe, by my grandma. My dad decided I'd pass away, make sure to peace, and my cans. Yeah, that's it.
In color, multi-electronic security, securing.
So the bus was loading at this point. I mean, I wonder if the woman behind me, when I go see her, did I look for me though? Banga danga danga danga. I don't know which song that did I play at the bus. So we decided to cut my earphone after I done record to listen to some music, because some bus songs could I do without. But I think them used to play gospel afterwards, which was good, but I still did have in my earphone. But yeah, it was a long drive, especially with the yellow bus. If you live in Jamaica, you know. Okay, so I'm now at my destination in the waiting area until they call me up to get my pedicure done. Me not tell you, like, in there does look bougie, in there does look nice and clean, like I would go back. Love it. It's actually, I could get like a better view of the place, because I don't want it to be so obvious that I'm recording their place, and I don't even know if they allowed us to record, but it was a vibe. Okay, so what I got done was your citrus pedicure. It was $1,000 extra than the usual pedicure, but in the heat of the moment, it was worth it, because I really just needed something new, different. Okay, so my feet are now in the citrus bath. So as you can see, it's just water filled with fruits and other stuff they add to it. It was a vibe. It was an aesthetic. How much time you say a vibe? Okay, so here I was getting my nails filed. I have to big up the pedicurist there. Anyway, she was so like gentle. Even that here and there, I might, move my foot and stuff, because it feels a bit, But she was good at what she did. I tell you, the outcome of my nails, I was pleased. Like, I would go back because of the service she provided for my first time. Anyway, if you watch this, big up yourself, okay? Alright, let's continue the video. Okay, so we're almost at the end of this clip. I kind of have to slow it down for me to talk. But yeah, guys, this was worth it. Sometime, you go through good things or something stress. No matter what case may be, you have a down day. Get up, you have to be a pedicure, you just be eye shopping, whatever it is, just to somewhat keep you grounded. You understand? We need a little self-care day once in a while. You don't have to be do so often, once a month, every fortnight, I don't know, depending on you, but it was worth it. So my next stop was to get something to eat. So I stopped at this Italian pizza place, I believe it's Italian. And yeah, I decided I want to sit down and have a bite. I did have a bite, but it wasn't big. Basically, I didn't say a lot, guys. We just have a little piece and say, yeah, man, that time to get up. But you want to sit down and record me and eat and so, but something about me and eating out, especially alone, me have to get used to it. Okay, so I got the combo deal. You get 2 slices of pizza and a drink free. And I got the jerk chicken and I think barbecue. Something if you note about me I walk a ton. Imagine me I talk about self-care day and thing, and me end up in a shoe store. I try to get my nails done, so I say, what, I want to can find like cheap shoes or something. So just, because right now the shoes I have, and I best. Me need a new shoes. But me never get nothing still. I don't have a sale. Oh, and I thought it would be good to show you guys the end product. See it here more in a different light, but yeah.
Day by day.